All right. Good morning. Today it is the 31st of January and I am in the Peloponnesos region, and this place is called Neapoli. It's a seaside town, call it town slash village, and it's very beautiful and it is very windy. Unluckily, only today it is gonna be windy and tomorrow it's gonna be a good weather. I came to this site hoping that the weather will be good and I will be able to make and cover some of these areas as I am headed towards Crete Island, taking the ship, the ferry from Gitio to Kisamos Khania. So, but it is what it is. I wish to have some less wind and some sun, but maybe it is kind of holding me back to come back here again and cover it in a good time. But anyways, whatever it is in front of me, I will show it to you and I will tell you two, three things that if you are planning this summer 2024 to be in this region, Peloponnesos, around the Elophonissos beach and in Neapoli, in this region, maybe you are curious and you know two things about this place. So this is the eastern end of Neapoli. There is a road still going and I can see there is another port over there, and here we are at the very beginning of shops, coffee shops and taverns and everything. It almost feels like one of those towns that is very nice, well situated to welcome people, and I can imagine that this town can get quite busy in the summer because Elaphonis, there is one is in Crete, it's called Elafonisi, and this one is, I guess, called Elaphoniso. Elaphoniso. Yeah, there's a little bit change, yeah. So because of that famous beach, this town can get quite busy. It is not one of those touristic towns only when it is the summertime, there is life going on, but when it is winter, the town is absolutely dead and sleeping. No, as you can see, cars are parked everywhere. It's like the local life is also taking place here, and it is a very well functioning place. Yeah. So even if you come right now here, you will find shops, you will find supermarket, you will find butcher shop to get meat, and also coffee shops. Everything is just functioning. The only downside today is that it is super windy. Yeah, super duper windy. I'm parked over there, and as you can see, let me show you, these are the coffee shops with nice tables and umbrellas right next to the beach. And we can see the beach also has these stands. Maybe they are putting umbrellas here as well. And over there in front of you is the port in the summertime, which the boats will be taking you from there to Elafoniso. Elafoniso. Yeah. Yeah, it's always tricky with the names in Greek language. The speaking, once you get it, you can get it right. But with the names, there is always, every name is a little bit different than here and a little bit different there. And here we have this square with an eagle on it. Very beautiful artwork. And also we have in this area like uh, shops such as like Lafur glasses, some gadgets, and various other shops that can kind of, you need things such as uh, phone services, Wi-Fi services related. So, as far as I am seeing and thinking about this town, it is uh, it is not just only a touristic seafront site resort place. No, it is a very like living, breathing town where local life takes place. This one looks very beautiful to me, to be able to have sitting on one of these tables and having this view in front of you and eating or drinking coffee. But wind, come on. I'm very demotivated today to make this video. To be honest, I am dragging myself like holding my shoulder to make this video. The situation is not at all pleasant to be making this video. Today, right now, at this very moment, it is a little bit better, but yesterday the wind was that strong that I could feel like if it would be slightly little bit more strong, it could have moved the car away. Oh, it is still strong, but because I was behind the buildings, this was not too strong. It didn't feel as strong. So yeah, I never expected this coming. And if you walk around the town a little bit here and there, you will get to see some architecture which is a quite old, and it has design, and that's maybe something interesting that you want to know, or you want to explore, or you want to give like a 40 minutes or 50 minutes of time to walk around and see the architecture, take a few pictures, and kind of make an architectural gallery of yourself. Yeah, from different towns you can make that. And now this side of Neapoli is like the new developed side. It is, you can tell that the buildings are new, and the way that the street looks new, and there is lots of new construction work going on. They are building new buildings, and I will never ever skip on staying one of these hotels, as these hotels have a very beautiful view towards the sea. Also at the same time, why would I? The question is, why would I wanna stay here for a few nights? It's because there is a lot in the area to explore first, and secondly, to be able to go to Elafonisos beach, and so it takes a day, and then you have to recover from it and all of that stuff. Yeah, but so if I would want to make here vacation, yeah, I will do it, but I will stay here like for 3 or 4 days, quiet and slow, explore the area, go to the beach, eat some local food. So that makes it a very good combination. Yeah. And over there is the Elafonisos island. It's right there. And if we keep walking this walking path, at the very end there is one fishing port, and from the fishing port, if we cross, then there is wild beach that you can easily park your car and just get to the beach and have your own little place for yourself, a little piece of beach for yourself. And that's what I like about places, when there is an option that you don't have to kind of fit yourself within another 1 million people in the beach. So if you have the option at the same beach that you can go a little bit far away and be in your own like little beach area, that's a good thing. Yeah. So it is windy, and I think I'm gonna call it here a wrap. Yeah, hope this video was by any definition meaningful to you, or helpful, or at least entertaining. Yeah, so if so, then give it a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comment section, and if you want to support the channel and support me, my PayPal account link and Patreon account link in the description. And if you are already having a good time, consider subscribing. Other than that, until the next time, peace.